Let's be honest, most YouTube videos about daily routines are a lie. You see a beautiful person. They look perfect. They wake up at 5 a.m. They drink green juice. They do yoga for 2 hours. Well, this video is not like that. I don't drink green juice. My coffee is simple. I drink black coffee, and I drink it with a sad face. Do you know that feeling? Your alarm rings. It is loud and angry, and you think, why can't I just be a cat? Welcome to my real daily routine. No filters, just real life. Let's see if your morning looks like mine. My day starts at 7 a.m. Well, my alarm starts at 7 a.m. I actually get out of bed at 7:30. I hit the snooze button 3 times. It is a hard fight every morning. If I sleep 5 more minutes, I am fine. If I sleep 10 more minutes, I am late. Then I walk to the kitchen like a zombie. I don't look in the mirror. It is too scary. First, I need coffee. Not a small cup, a giant cup. When I take the first sip, my brain turns on. Slowly. Sort of like an old computer. Are you a morning person? Or do you hate the sun until 11 a.m.? Tell me the truth. After coffee, I brush my teeth. I look at my clothes. I have many clothes. I look at all my clothes. But I always wear the same jeans and t-shirt. Then I leave the house. I walk to the bus station. Usually I see the bus coming, and I have to run. Imagine this, a person with a heavy bag, running, holding a coffee cup, looking very stupid. Yes, that's me, every single day. But hey, it is a good workout. I get on the bus, I look at other people, nobody smiles. We are all zombies together. It is a nice silent club. Let's do a quick challenge right now. Stop listening for a second. Think about your morning today. What was the first thing you did? Did you check your phone? Did you drink water? Or did you just lie in bed? I want you to talk to me. Say it out loud, in English. Just one simple sentence. For example, today I woke up and wanted to sleep more. See? That is real English. It is simple, but it is yours. You don't need big words from textbooks. You just need to say what happened. Next is work or study. From 9 a.m. to 1 p.m., I try to look busy, but at 2 p.m. something happens. The afternoon slump hits. My brain goes to sleep again. I need coffee number 2, or maybe number 3. I sit there and think about my life. You know, this is why we created English lore. Because life is not a textbook. We don't live in a classroom where everything is perfect. We live in a world with bad traffic and too much work. And your English should fit this real world. You don't need perfect grammar to live your life, you just need to be understood. If you like this realistic way of learning, if you want to stop freezing when someone asks about your day, I have something great for you. On our Patreon page, I put the full text of this video. It is absolutely free. You can read it and listen at the same time, and if you want to take a big step. We have the Ultimate English Lore course there too. It is a complete step-by-step system. It helps you break your language barrier forever. It makes speaking easy and natural. No boring grammar rules, just real skills. The link is right below this video. Go check it out. After work, I go home, the best part of the day. I open the door and take off my shoes. I say, then I cook dinner. Well, cook is a big word. Usually, I just put something in the microwave, or I eat pasta. Again. Then I sit on the sofa. I open Netflix. I spend 30 minutes looking for a movie. And then I fall asleep after 10 minutes. Every time. It is a classic move. Do you do this too? You spend more time choosing the movies than watching it? Please tell me I am not the only one. So that is my daily routine. It is not beautiful, it is not perfect, but it is real. And tomorrow, it happens again. But remember this, your daily routine is your story. When you talk about your day in English, don't try to sound like a British professor. Don't translate long sentences in your head. Keep it simple. Keep it short. Say, I woke up, I drank coffee, I was tired. That is fluent English because it moves. Thank you for spending your day with me. Write one thing about your routine in the comments. I will read it. See you in the next video. Bye.